Thank you to our Liberian customer for purchasing our EA640F2 LED display screen product, totaling 35 pieces. We are delighted to provide you with high-quality display solutions. EA640F2 LED display screen is highly favored by customers for its excellent visual effects and user-friendly design. Each component of this LED display screen, including the LED module, power supply, and receiver card, adopts a front maintenance design. This design greatly facilitates daily maintenance and repair, making it easy to replace and repair any component without the need to disassemble the entire screen. EA640F2 LED display screen is a front maintenance screen designed specifically for indoor fixed installation. It is not only easy to install, but also provides excellent display effects. Whether used for commercial advertising, conference displays, or stage backgrounds, it can bring a clear and delicate visual experience.